All right, hey Nate. So I didn't take too much video today. I was really just experimenting with different things. Barely even getting off the ground, playing with that left hand. Pretty good sesh, actually. Felt amazing in my warm-up, and like I was saying, I was just trying to like warm up in positions and ended up linking some stuff that I hadn't linked before. So I was like, whoa, sorry, I got something in my foot. So that was interesting. And then I worked the crux a bunch, and I learned that if I, and maybe, I mean, it's a little warm today. It's like 52 probably. So maybe that's part of the problem. But when I bring my left hand up to try to crimp, because you notice I'm sort of releasing, I just feel like I'm sliding. It's bizarre. It's like very hard for me to generate off that position. Which just felt, it was weird. Maybe it was just a little too warm, but I was just surprised at how hard it felt. So doing that, I couldn't even get, could really not generate and couldn't get anywhere near the crux. By dropping my left foot, that was really interesting, right? Because I'm so much more stable. And if I could get to the hold, I'm fairly certain that I'll stick it first or second try. If I just have my right foot on. Like I really feel stable. I'm bracing super hard through my foot, through my butt. I can feel it like locking down my left hand and reaching up. I just can't get there. And trying to, use a little bit of momentum, a little burst, but it's really hard to generate when your foot's I'm going right. My left hand's not great, as you know, and my foot's out to the right. So I'm trying to pull out over my foot. So I feel really good in that position, but I just can't reach. And then I just was so frustrated because I hadn't basically touched the hold the whole time. So I went back to my beta, which is, foot way out left to drive with, and then kind of pinching the left hand, but then, I don't know, weirdly, as coming off the pinch as I go up. And that was I did it 2 or 3 times where I put my fingers in the hold again. So just in a weird spot where like, if I use one beta, I can get to the hold almost every single time consistently, but I cannot stick it yet. And if I use the other beta, I feel like so much more controlled, and I definitely think I could stick it, but I can't get to the damn hold. So yeah, that's where I'm at, but it felt pretty good. Actually, I climbed from the bottom. I climbed through the bottom into the crux and then did the big crux throw my way and hit the hold again. So that's the first time I've hit the hold from the very start. So yeah, anyway, pretty good sesh. I'm happy, still making progress. Linked some stuff on the top. I usually just like kind of warm up on that, and it's just feeling better and better. So I feel like the idea is if I ever actually do stick the damn crux and the heel hook, trying to eliminate the probability of me falling up there. So, all right, man, have a good one.